Hey, how's it going everybody? Thanks for tuning into the channel, and in this video we're going to be going over the new LASFIT LED Pro headlight bulbs. In an earlier video I had installed these LED bulbs into a 5th gen 4Runner, and during that installation I swore that these would fit a Gx460. So I reached out to LASFIT and asked if I can try them out. I absolutely loved how they worked out on the 4Runner, and my wife's GX needed some new headlight bulbs, so I went ahead and swapped these out. It's a very straightforward install. All we're doing first is removing the OEM dust cap. Turn the OEM bulb counterclockwise and go ahead and insert the new bulb. Be mindful of the notches that are on these bulbs because you want them to clock in correctly. If not, trying to force them in will snap the notches. Initially I separated the dust cap from the bulb, and I thought this was going to make things easier because the bulb is easier to twist in, but what it does, it makes things more difficult reconnecting that dust cap back to the bulb. As you can tell, it's a very tight fit already. That's why I had the idea of separating the dust cap from the bulb, and my wife's hands are way smaller, so it was easier for her to get in there. With the bulb properly clocked in, we can now reinsert the harness. So you want to take the factory harness and plug it up to the dust cover harness. The harnesses are reverse polarity, so if you plug it in and it doesn't work, you can go ahead and disconnect the harness, twist it over, and then reinsert it, and it should work. Now, the cable for the bulb to the dust cover was the difficult one. There are 4 pins and a notch to look out for, so make sure things are lined up. And once that's done, you can go ahead and install the LASFIT dust cover. Moving on to the driver's side, it's actually a tighter fit here because of the battery. But once you've removed all the factory OEM stuff, you can go ahead and do the same thing that you did on the other side. But on this side, I decided not to separate the dust cap and the bulb because of how difficult the other one was. So here's an example of that reverse polarity. I plugged it in and the headlight's not working. Simply disconnect the harness, and then you want to just rotate the other half and then plug it back in, and it should work. Now, the base of the bulbs already do have ball bearing fans embedded in them, but what's cool about this kit is that the dust cover actually has a fan built in. And that's all, guys. You guys are pretty much done. Just reinsert the dust cap and you're good to go. Here's a brief comparison of the old bulbs versus the new Pros. I'm very impressed with the intensity as well as the throw of these bulbs. They also have a very large spread. So thanks to LASFIT for letting me confirm that these bulbs fit a Gx460. And as always, thank you for watching.